why are my orange Cape honeysuckle starting to flower yellow instead of orange? And this is John from Scottsdale, Arizona. So what do you think about that one, Joellen?
You know, I have a lot of questions for that.
Okay.
Where is it planted? Is it in full sun? Has it been there long? Have you seen it being orange before? You know, that if it's bloomed orange before, is there more shade on it this year? Did you not give it enough nutrients? I don't, you know, there's a whole bunch of questions about that. So, or is it the right variety? Did you buy the right variety?
Yeah, see,
I don't know.
I think that's where he's going.
Yeah, that's what I wondered.
I just,
Yeah.
all these different things, all these questions.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. My first thought was, if you've never seen it bloom before and it's yellow, maybe it is not an orange Cape honeysuckle, because sometimes they make mistakes at the nursery, and it could be a different variety. But there again, I know the only thing I can think of that the hydrangeas, the blooms vary in color a lot, and I know there may be other plants that do that, but honeysuckle.
Yes.
You know, honeysuckle, right?
Yeah, that's what you wonder. Yeah, I have the same questions.
There's just so many questions. It's hard to answer all of it, but I have more questions.
All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.